Hey, have you been looking to make money online with affiliate marketing, but you may not know exactly where to start or what offers to promote or how to actually find an offer or how to get traffic to it? Well, in this video, I'm going to let you know all of those things. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online using traffic strategies. And I teach people how to actually find offers that will help them to make money online. So let's get into it. So basically what you're looking at right now is Clickbank, and you can go and you can see what offers people are promoting by the score of the gravity. So if it has a high gravity score, that actually means a lot of people are promoting it. So you want something that is a lot of results, that people are getting a lot of results and have a pretty nice, gravity score. If it's very high, it's going to be very hard to actually get results. So you don't always want to go after the highest gravity score, but you want it to be decent results, and you want there to be a lot of people that are using that product, that are buying it. Then the next thing you need is high quality traffic. So once you find an offer on here, you want to be able to get high quality traffic, and you always should be building an email list, because your email list is that number one asset that you can actually use if all your other social media platforms go down, if all your other traffic methods go down. You'll always have your email list. Nobody can take that away from you once you build it. And I suggest, if you're not getting a high open rate, to check your domain reputation. Your domain reputation pretty much says if you're sending out emails, if people are opening them. If more people are opening your emails, then your domain reputation is high. If you're sending out a bunch of emails and you're finding that a lot of people aren't reading your emails, it could be the fact that your domain reputation is low. You could check your domain reputation with Google Postmaster tools, and you check it to see if it is high, low, or bad. You want it to be high. You don't want it to be anything besides high. You always want to keep it high. If it's medium, you could get it up into the high range. But if it is low or bad, then you have a very hard time of getting that domain back. So that means if you're sending out emails and your emails are probably landing in spam, you always want to retain the people that come to your email list, and you want to make sure that your domain reputation is high. And that's something that I can help you to do if you're having trouble with it, or if you want to get better open rates. It's something that I definitely help people with. And you want to make sure your list is clean with high quality traffic. So if you're looking for high quality traffic with your Clickbank offers, then come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and this is where you can actually get high quality traffic from. And why you should get traffic from me is because I want you to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I want you to get high quality offers, and make sure that your capture page and your sales copy are congruent to the offers that you're promoting, so that way you get the most amount of people through your funnel. And I want you to get high quality traffic to your offers, right? So high quality traffic is very important. If you're not getting high quality traffic, then you're going to have a bunch of people that aren't opening, a bunch of people that aren't engaged, and a bunch of people that are costing you money and actually hurting your domain reputation. Because how the email service providers work is based on your sending reputation. They put you in an IP pool, which is a server which they send out emails out on. So if your sending is good, then they're going to put you on a high server. If it's bad, then they're going to put you on a crappy server, and all your emails are going to end up in spam. And that's something that you don't want. So you want your emails to end up in the inbox, and you want to get high quality traffic to the offers that you have, right? So when you order traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPM marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic from me when you order traffic from me. And when you order, you also get a chance to have a strategy call with me where I actually help you get the highest converting pages that will get the most people through your funnel, and you will get as high as 85% opt-in rate. My highest opt-in rate to date is 90% opt-in rate with sales. So if you look at the testimonials below, you will see that my highest is 90% opt-in rate. This says 85%, but it is 90%, and I have a testimonial below on this page. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because it's very important when you're getting paid traffic. Tracking is very important. If you don't know how to track your stats, then you are wasting a lot of money and you don't know what actually converts. And your leads that are coming in, you should actually have an autoresponder set up to track the openers and clickers when you're getting traffic, right? So if you're tracking the openers and clickers, you'll know who opens and clicks and who engages. If you're not tracking openers and clickers, when they come in, then you're wasting a lot of time, money, and leads. You want to get your segmentation down so that way you know who's highly engaged. And you can start this process in 3 simple steps. So you order a traffic package from me, then you get a campaign review where we actually do a strategy call. We show you what pages are working, what's good about your pages, what's not so good about your pages, which you can improve on, how you can get your open rates higher, how you can get better results with your paid traffic, and what to actually say to people, because it's very important to know what to do on a daily basis and have a daily routine down. And so we start your campaign within 72 hours. Now, if you order a traffic package and get the strategy call with it, your traffic is going to start after the strategy call, just so you know. So it may actually be longer than 3 days, depending on if you book a strategy call. But the order is definitely worth it to get the strategy call, right? Because the strategy call is something that I give you information that is pretty much uncommon information and stuff that will actually help you to get results with paid traffic and help you to get results online. So if you've been struggling online, then I highly suggest ordering a traffic package from me, so that way I can help you to get results. And you can see right here my testimonials. Here's my highest to date, 90% opt-in rate with sales. I got 3 sales right here, and I got plenty of other testimonials right here, so you could take a look at those for yourself. Here's 90% tier 1 traffic. Here's 100% tier 1. 100% tier 1 is going to be your highest quality traffic. So make sure you take a look at those. And if you have any questions, concerns, a lot of your questions are going to be answered down here. So make sure you take a look at this section. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic. No fake bots, no clicks, no fake clicks. 100% real traffic. And from people who really want what you have to offer, I guarantee you that you'll get exactly what you ordered, and nothing less than what you ordered, right? So I love to serve people. I love to help people to get results. If you get results, that means it's better for me. It actually helps my reputation. When you get results, it looks good for me, and I love to help people, and I love people knowing that I give you quality service, right? So your results matter to me, and my reputation matters as well to me a lot, right? There's a lot of people out here that just sell traffic, and they don't really care what people do, right? They don't really care about their offers. I care. That's why I offer you a strategy call, because I want to help you to get results. You buy a traffic package from me, so you do business with me. So I believe that you're entitled to get feedback because you spent money with me, and it's very important to get feedback, get your questions answered, and know that you have a support system around. The one thing that I can't do for you is I can't issue refunds. So once you order a traffic package from me, understand that all orders are final. I will help you with your order if you have any issues with it. I will give you support, and I will make sure you get exactly what you ordered. So if you ever have any issues with your order, just reach out to me and I will fix the issue. I will help you to make sure you're 100% satisfied. That's one thing that I do. So I make sure that you have exactly what you ordered and nothing less. So I will guarantee you 100% top quality service, top quality traffic, and I want you to get results because that actually helps all of us. That helps everybody involved. And if you get results, I know that you'll be back, right? So it's very important to me to see you win, right? And it's very exciting to see somebody come in and not get results for a long time. Then they order from me and they start getting results. And I'm able to help them through the process. And it's a very, very rewarding for me to see people win, right? So if you have any questions, you can leave them down here, or you can go to my Facebook page right here. This will take you to my Facebook page where you can ask questions. My only real Facebook is Gio Ambrose Gianta. So if you have any questions, you can leave your questions there for me on Facebook, or you can leave them below this video. Leave any questions, concerns, or comments below. I will answer any questions you have. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any time that I upload videos. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description for you to get into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and training on how to build and grow your business online. Also, check out this page. The link to this page is going to be below this video as well. So you can actually get to the traffic store easily by clicking on the link below this video. Also, make sure you subscribe again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.